Hello, and welcome to another Logic tutorial with me, Ed the Shed. My name is Ed, but I'm not a shed. In this tutorial I am going to show you the most badass way to sidechain. Once you have watched the whole of this video you are going to kick yourself, because this is not only the best way to sidechain, it is the easiest way also. Can't say fairer than that. So, are you ready then? To show you just how good this sort of sidechaining method is, I have made a quick tune for you guys. This is the same tune that is in part 1 of the sidechaining video series, so those of you that watched part 1 will hopefully recognize it. I will start by playing the tune with the sidechaining method I used in part 1. This method involved sending a kick track to a compressor using the sidechain input box in the top right corner. Let's have a listen to how that method sounds with this track. Here we go. Okay, so there is a little bit of pumping effect going on, and it does make the synth sit better in the mix, but I'm sure a lot of you might agree that it could sound a lot tighter and have a lot more pump to it. This is when method 2 of sidechaining comes in. Instead of using compressors and kick tracks and all that nonsense, just use your flipping volume fader. This is so much more effective, and in my opinion, you have far more control over the envelope shaping of the sidechain. Or in other words, you have more control over your attack and release times. Let's take a look how I have done this then. If I open up the automation window up and take a look at my top synth track, you can see that I have simply automated the volume fader to go up and down. This is exactly what is happening to your audio when you sidechain it using a kick track. The effects are just not as intense, that's all. So now, the moment we have all been waiting for. I will first very quickly play the tune again, with the fist method of sidechaining I showed you. Then I will show you method 2. That uses the automation. Here we go. There you have it. I hope you can hear the difference in effect. Before I carry on, I must warn you, this is not officially sidechaining, as we are not actually using another signal to affect our synth, we are simply automating the volume. But if you really want to achieve some decent pump, then practice with this method and experiment with different automation curves. If I go up to my toolbar, and choose the automation curve tool, I can change the curves of my automation, by holding down the command button and dragging. Different curve distances and shapes will have a huge impact on the envelope shaping of your sidechaining, so become a boss at using this, and you will surely be on your way to getting some proper pumping tunes. I hope that this tip helps you in some way. Thanks for watching, see you next time.